This is a test of the radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. This is a test of NOAA Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You are listening to...
Well, this has been this week's required weekly test with my awesome 12-519. Thanks to
Clever 143.
Yep.
I can help.
Yep. Finally activated for this. What's up?
You scared the shit out of me.
But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. This is NorCal Dude 599 and Clay Ranger 143 signing out.